Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Microsoft Account Sign-In. All right, let's begin. To remove the Microsoft login on your Windows computer and switch to a local account, start by opening the Start menu and clicking Settings. On the left-hand side, select Accounts and then scroll down to Your Info. Here, you'll see that you are signed in with a Microsoft account. Click Sign in with a local account instead. Since I have already signed in with a local account, I can just click on the hyperlink and my Microsoft account will get logged out. For you, a blue screen will appear. Click Skip this step, then Next. You may need to enter your PIN to continue. Next, set a password for your local account if you want and add a password hint. You should now see that you are using a local account and your Microsoft password is no longer required. If you want to switch back later, you can simply click Sign in with a Microsoft account. So that's basically how you can remove Microsoft Account Sign-In. That's it for this video. Thanks.